Alright, good morning. This is Roger Guy of Chapter7Attorneys.com. I wanted to talk a little bit this morning about negligence claims and filing Chapter 7, or claims generally in filing Chapter 7, and whether your claim can be discharged. Sometimes you may be filing a bankruptcy case or thinking about filing a bankruptcy case because you've been sued. And so the issue is, can that lawsuit be wiped out in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy case? Most of the time, of course, credit card collection lawsuits, they're going to be wiped out. But sometimes a person is sued for actions against another individual. And in fact, what the law says is that under 11 U.S.C. 523A6 is that certain types of injuries that you cause to another person cannot be discharged at all. If you've intentionally injured somebody or the property of somebody else, they cannot be discharged. The court is always going to look at, the lawsuit that was filed against you to determine whether it was actually a negligence claim, which can be discharged, or if it's going to be a willful and malicious injury to somebody else, which cannot be discharged. And in the Chafee case, it was a very interesting case because it was actually a sexual abuse case in which Chafee had asserted that her mother failed to protect her from the stepfather and in a sexual abuse manner, and Chafee actually obtained an actual judgment against her mother for $3,750,000 in the state court in New York. But what happened was that the lawsuit itself did not allege any intentional injuries or any willful and malicious injuries by Chafee's mother or stepfather. It was a negligence case that was filed in state court. So what the court really held in that case was that because the basis of the lawsuit that Chafee filed and the judgment was a negligence claim, just a simple pure negligence claim, that could be discharged. It did not meet the legal standard of a willful and malicious injury under 523A6. Examples of what the courts have in the past determined to be like a willful and malicious injury would be drinking and driving. And so if you've been convicted of drinking and driving and there's been a judgment against you, that's not the type of a debt that you're going to be able to discharge. If you have any questions about being sued and whether you're going to be able to discharge the claim, please call me at 770-792-1000, or you can visit us at Chapter7Attorneys.com, and I'll be happy to speak to you if you have any questions whatsoever. Thank you for your time.